Hey, we gotta change out this sink because I broke the knob trying to be cheap. Me? This is Rah C. You are it. I'm gonna eventually replace all of this. Put new stuff in, but for now, it is what it is. You hear me? Damn it, Bobby. Damn it, Bobby! Get your shit together. Soak it up and bust it up. I knew that day. I. I mean, I got laid on my mother's chicken bag. That. Please, son of a biscuit! I pinched my shenanigans. Alright. Close your eyes and look away, because you don't want it falling in your face. Hope they're all that easy. Alright. Ow. A little bit, get out of here. Out a little bit. Damn it, this thing's too small. The hole looked too small. Damn it. Move a little bit. A little bit. Get out of here. Come on. I'll get cereals. Oh, I gotta break this first. Duh. Move a little bit, please.
Okay. That's how easy it is.